Alright meal preppers, today we're making a chorizo based breakfast burrito. This makes 4 servings, with each coming in at 538 calories, a huge 41 grams of protein, 26 carbs and 29 fats. It's a great way to start your morning, so let's get into it. First, let's start by prepping the ingredients. Take 1 large onion and slice it into 1 centimeter strips. Take 2 bell peppers or capsicums and slice these into 1 centimeter strips. Next, we need 200 grams of chorizo salami. Peel off any skin or wrapping and dice into small cubes. Now grab a grater box, 30 grams or an ounce of cheddar cheese and grate this down. And lastly, grab a large mixing bowl or jug and crack 10 eggs. Then these can be put to the side. Now let's move on to the cooking, and we're going to start with the chorizo. Place the chorizo in a non-stick skillet without any oil. Cook for 4 minutes over a medium to high heat, then remove it. As the chorizo is quite fatty, we won't need oil for this. Next, add in the peppers and onions. There should be some leftover fat from the chorizo, so no need for cooking oil again. Season these with salt and cook for 7 minutes, stirring and tossing occasionally. Once done, they can be removed. And now give the skillet a wipe down and lower the heat to a low. Next up is the eggs, so add these to the skillet and immediately start stirring them. Rise the heat to a low medium, and the key here for fluffy eggs is to always keep the egg moving. Stir continuously over that low to medium heat. Eventually the eggs will start to become solid. Wait until you're able to hold them together on a spatula, but not fully done. Then you can remove them from the heat. And now onto the fun part, the packaging. This recipe makes 4 servings, so we need 4 tortilla wraps or normal wraps. Once you have your wraps, you want to dish out a quarter of the egg, a quarter of the onions and peppers, then a quarter of the chorizo sausage. When it's all added, you want to roll these up, then griddle them on the skillet to help you keep them in shape. I won't lie, the wrapping up is hard, and I'm not a master of it, so what I've done is linked a video above to a tutorial that will help you get through this. And next, we want to grill the burrito shut. Start with the seam side down first to help set that, then turn the burrito as the brown grill marks appear. Once done, you can then wrap them up where they'll last for 5 days in the fridge or 3 months in the freezer. And there you have it. You have 4 protein-packed breakfast burritos ready to go for the week. As always, I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have any requests or feedback, let me know in the comments section below, and remember to like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you next time, team.